Delta Lake and Delta Table, all of that. So I've divided it into two parts. So we're going to see the first part today. It's a bit complex. So let me move to not getting anything. Okay. So before that, yesterday you asked how to mount a data lake in Databricks, right? So this is the code that you use to mount data lake
Shouldn't
in.
we have I'm looking at the schedule. Other shouldn't we have the hold on? Where are we right now? Building and querying data lake before we go into the Delta Lake. Can we just take a look at the course contents first?
So this was your doubt, and this is how you mount a data lake storage. So mounting a data lake storage is nothing but we are making our ADLS directory available to Databricks. You should give your storage account name, container name, and then mount point. Mount point is the name that you're giving for that particular part. So it's up to you. You can give whatever mount point name you want, and you can use this in future. Then we have to create a service principal, and we have to give the details of the service principal here. Then what you have to do is you have to use dbutils.fs file system dot mount, and then you have to give all the container name, storage account name, and mount point. Once you have mounted the data lake, required
Question. Yeah. So you start with the storage account name that is the same as the Azure storage account name, right? Like that's
Azure
nothing.
storage account. Correct.
Container name. So container name, what will you give there?
The name of the container.
The Azure
Inside.
container will be the same.
Yes, you have
Okay.
multiple
Oh, it's all Azure. Okay. Those are all Azure things. Okay. All right.
Azure things. Yeah. Okay. Then
Then
in
mount point, what?
future,
How do you know what
yeah,
is the like mount point? You're just declaring, is it? You're just declaring a
yeah,
variable there.
correct. It's up to you. So let's say you put here X, and then next time if you want to access some file from within, let's say we are reading a CSV file spark.read.csv, and then inside you will give path as mnt slash x slash. So by x, what happens is we will reach till the container. Okay. Then after that, the path from container. That is the whole idea. That's about mounting. Yeah.
Okay. So you'll declare that mount point, and then after that you'll use the DBS dbutils fs mount, and then you'll mount that
Right.
using this. Okay. And can you just go back over the configuration? I wanted to kind of just look at that 1 second. For configs, what did you declare here? All these things are. Oh, there's a principal client. Okay. And the secret client, the client secret, and all these things. Is it okay?
Yeah. So after our session is over, right? When we will still have some time. So then I'll
Hmm.
cover the service principle and make it clear for you.
Okay. Sure. Sounds good. Okay.
And you were asking few doubts also, right? And all of that I'll clear once our syllabus is over. This is an overview of Azure Databricks and Data Lake. So Delta Lake is nothing but it's an open source data lake technology. It runs on top of. First, we will just go over what is Delta Lake, and then we will dive into the practical part.
Okay.
So it is nothing but it's an open source the data lake technology, and it runs on top of Apache Spark, and it provides advanced features like ACID transactions and data versioning. So ACID transaction you should already be knowing atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. And data versioning, by data versioning, what it means is to say whatever you do on the table, a version of that table will be created, and you will be able to time travel to the previous version, and you will be able to restore it to the previous version. So that's about data versioning, and there is schema enforcement. Basically, Delta Lake is designed to improve data reliability, simplify data integration, and make it easier to build robust pipeline. And the important thing is it provides a unified analytic platform that integrates data processing, analytics, and visualization in a single environment. So if we are going with the traditional data warehouses and all of that, we need two separate systems. We'll have OLAP and we'll have OLTP. So here, everything would be in one place. That's why it says it provides a unified analytic platform. Yeah. Then we will see what are each of these what is asset transaction. So basically, this is I'm going to talk about the advantages of Delta Lake versus asset transaction. So it means that the data remains consistent even if there are even if concurrent users access the particular data, it remains consistent. And even if there is system failure, also the data will remain consistent.
Okay.
That's it about. Then we have schema enforcement. So that's nothing but it ensures that data is always in a particular structure. So if we are inserting some data some other format, then it will tell that the schema is not matching and it will fail that insert. So as to it will ensure data reliability. Then data versioning we already saw. Then efficient file management. So as in Delta Lake, when we insert data in Delta Lake, the backend files will be created, and it will we can manage the files by partitioning, by clustering, all of that. Then improved query performance. It provides optimizations such as caching and table compaction. So if we have large volume of data, querying the data is very easy.